guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a splash skin on Sktchware. You know, Sktchware is one of the best application for make a professional application. That means here you can make a professional application. So don't waste any more time, let's jump into this video. Firstly, open Sktchware application and make an application called splash skin. By the way guys, I am just show you that you can use it in your old application, so don't worry guys. And then pick a linear B and change her width match parent, and then go to gravity setting and then pick a progress bar. Then go to XML option and make here a activity. Which activity will go with splash? If you already have an activity, you can use it. Then go back main activity and then go to event option and then click on create button. Now click on component option and then add a component called intent. Then again click on component option and pick timer component. Now pick up this timer block and then pick up this set screen block and then pick up the start activity block. Now click on here and select this activity. Which activity you want to go with the splash. Then take a finish activity to get a professional splash screen. And now run this application. Guys, this is my application, so quickly open it. Look at this, splash is working. Guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and comment on comment box what you want. I will 100% try to solve your problem, and must be subscribe this channel.